This is a sound test of the Razer Black Widow Ultimate 2013 edition with the Cherry MX Blue key switches. Over here I've removed one of the keycaps to show you what the Cherry MX Blue key switch looks like. Okay, now I will show you what the keyboard sounds like without a full compression of the key switches. And this is what it sounds like with the keys fully compressed. Okay, now I will type a paragraph of text at full speed. So this concludes the sound test of the Black Widow Ultimate 2013 edition. If you have any questions about the keyboard, leave a comment below.